Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a weekly update on your time spent on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the menu icon down below in the right side corner of the screen, tap on settings at the top next to the search icon in the upper right corner, then scroll down to preferences and click on your time on Facebook. Scroll down and tap on see time. Scroll down a bit and here you can turn on this weekly update option, thereby receiving an update each week to see how you are managing your time on Facebook. So click on this button on the right side and you will receive a notification each week. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.